Looking for the best car detailing brush set to keep your car spotless inside and out? In this video, I'll show you a professional quality brush set that reaches tight spaces, protects delicate surfaces, and makes detailing faster and easier. Let's see if this set is truly worth your money. There are many best car detailing brush sets to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best car detailing brush set from top brands that can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. The Soft Boar Hair Car Detailing Brush Set delivers premium car detailing with ultra-soft boar hair bristles that clean effectively while protecting your vehicle's finish, making it an essential addition to any car care kit. Designed for winter-ready cleaning, it easily removes salt, snow, mud, and grime with excellent soapy water retention for faster results. This versatile detailing brush kit works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and interiors, reaching tight spaces like vents, cup holders, dashboards, leather seats, and door panels. Durable, water-resistant handles ensure long-lasting performance, and many customers praise its quality, softness, precision, and overall value for the price. Number 2. The 7PCS Car Detailing Brush Set is a professional all-in-one car cleaning kit designed for meticulous interior and exterior detailing, featuring natural boar hair, soft hair, fiber, and ultra-soft synthetic brushes, plus a dual-head vent brush, car cleaning gel, and a compact organizer bag. Each brush is crafted for specific areas, making it easy to reach tight gaps, vents, dashboards, leather seats, wheels, and hidden crevices that towels can miss. The dual-head design and cleaning gel remove dust, crumbs, and debris effortlessly, while the soft microfiber brush protects surfaces. Customers value its quality, versatility, and affordability, despite mixed feedback on long-term bristle durability. Number 3. The Premium Car Detailing Brush Set delivers professional quality performance with soft boar's hair bristles and water-resistant handles designed for gentle yet effective cleaning inside and out. This versatile 3-brush kit is ideal for interior detailing on dashboards, leather seats, vents, and tight crevices, while also handling exterior tasks like wheels, paint, and emblems without scratching surfaces. Precision-engineered bristle density and comfortable handle length allow access to areas other tools miss, making it perfect for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Founded by an American small business run by detailers, this brush set offers strong value, reliable results, and elevated car cleaning performance. Number 4. The SPTA Car Detailing Brush Set is a soft yet durable cleaning solution designed to deliver scratch-free results on both interior and exterior surfaces. Made with gentle, flexible bristles and no metal parts, these brushes protect leather seats, dashboards, and paint while effectively removing dust, crumbs, and grime. With multiple brush sizes and varied bristle stiffness, this versatile set handles air vents, wheels, rims, grills, seat creases, and even keyboards or furniture. Suitable for wet or dry use, it fits all vehicle types and motorcycles. Customers appreciate its solid build, value for money, and performance for DIY detailing despite mixed feedback on boar hair durability. Number 5. The professional 4-pack long handle wheel brush set delivers complete, scratch-free wheel and tire detailing with 2 ultra-soft synthetic woolies brushes for rims and cracks, a soft detailing brush for lug nut cavities, and a stiff tire brush for deep tire cleaning. Designed with metal-free brush heads and flexible 360-degree bendable handles, these brushes safely clean all wheel types, including expensive aftermarket rims, while reaching tight and hard-to-access areas. Thick, fluffy fibers hold plenty of cleaning solution for powerful grime removal, and a non-slip silicone grip ensures control and comfort. Easy to rinse and air dry, this high-quality kit offers excellent performance, strong value, and professional-level results despite mixed durability feedback. Number 6. The metal-free soft wheel cleaner brush is designed for safe, effective, and effortless wheel cleaning, featuring high-quality synthetic wool that is dense, fluffy, and tough enough to handle any soap or cleaner without scratching. Its 100% metal-free construction protects wheels, rims, and tires, while the flexible, bendable design easily reaches behind spokes and tight spaces. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip for long cleaning sessions without fatigue. Highly absorbent and efficient with spray cleaners, it reduces dirty water splash and works perfectly on wheels, tires, grills, engine bays, and more, offering reusable, great value performance. Number 7. The 12 PCS Wheel Brush Kit for Cleaning Wheel is a complete professional solution designed to deliver deep, scratch-free cleaning for wheels, rims, and tires. This all-in-one set includes microfiber wool brushes, detailing brushes, a tire brush, wash mitt, towel, hook, and storage bag, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, and boats. Made with high-quality, metal-free synthetic wool and natural bristles, the brushes safely lift dirt, grime, and break dust without damaging surfaces. Flexible 360-degree bending reaches tight areas easily, while wet and dry use ensures powerful interior and exterior detailing performance. Number 8. The TTRCB 27 PCS Car Detailing Kit is a complete all-in-one solution for cleaning and maintaining your vehicle inside and out. This 27-piece set includes drill brushes, detailing brushes, wire brushes, dash duster, air vent brush, wash mitt, microfiber wax applicators, towels, polishing pads, sponge backer, and a sturdy toolbox, drill not included. Perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even home surfaces, the kit tackles tight corners, vents, wheels, dashboards, and engine bays. High-quality natural bristles, durable wire brushes, and versatile pads ensure powerful dirt and dust removal. Ideal for wet or dry use. It's a must-have for every car enthusiast. Number 9. The Boars Hair Ultra Soft Detailing Brushes Set is a professional-grade kit perfect for car enthusiasts and detailers, featuring 5 assorted sizes, number 10, 12, 14, 16 for exterior and wheels, number 18 for delicate interior surfaces. Made of premium natural boar hair with flexible, durable bristles and high-quality PP handles, these brushes clean without scratching your vehicle. The no-metal design ensures safe use on glossy dashboards, leather, vents, wheels, emblems, and engine bays. Ideal for interior and exterior detailing, motorcycles, and daily devices like computers or radios. Customers praise the soft bristles, durability, and precise cleaning performance, making it an essential car care tool. Number 10. The 7 PCS Car Detailing Brush Set is a professional kit designed for thorough car cleaning, featuring 2 natural boar bristle brushes, 2 fiber brushes, 2 super soft detailing brushes, and 1 interior brush. Each brush is crafted for specific areas, providing gentle yet effective cleaning for dashboards, leather seats, wheels, and body surfaces. Made of durable PET plus PVT materials with ergonomic handles, the bristles are soft, fine, and scratch-free. High-density, reusable bristles work wet or dry, making multi-purpose cleaning easy. Compact and beautifully packaged, this set is ideal for car enthusiasts and makes a thoughtful gift. Customers praise its quality, versatility, and value for money. Encourage viewers to comment with their favorite detailing tools and remind them to check out your other videos for more car care tips. All from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price after verifying the right product quality, and what is the customer's demand? If you want to know product details or prices or need any other kind of information, please comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.